Okay, so now today we are going to talking about the for each method reference. In the previous class, we discussed about how can we implement the method in interface class with the help of default keyword, and we also know that for each method always takes the reference. Sorry, always takes the object of the consumer class. But here in this class, we are going to use the for each method as a reference. तो हम फॉर ईच मेथड को एज अ रिफरेंस यूज करने जा रहे हैं. इसमें हम कैसे इस मेथड में रिफरेंस को यूज करते हैं, तो रिफरेंस का सिंबल मैं आपको बताता हूँ. वो इस तरीके से होता है, हम ऐसे रिफरेंस देते हैं. सी में सी प्लस प्लस में आप लोग को याद होगा, इसको हम लोग स्कोप रिसोल्यूशन ऑपरेटर बोलते थे इस पार्ट को. ठीक है, तो ये इस रिफरेंस को अभी हम लोग यूज करेंगे फॉर ईच मेथड के थ्रू. क्लियर है? सो नाउ फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू द अंडरस्टैंड इन द कोडिंग जोन. वी हैव टू द सी. So on the IDE, I am going to take the same code on the previous class. Here only I am going to delete to this both lines code, and here I taken the list interface class on the integer parameter. Integer generic concept we are going to the use, because we have to the integer data type I am going to use here. And here finally I am taking the reference of the values here, right? And arrays is the class, that is the static class. There is the dot as list method is defined, and we are going to store in this collection framework, that is the array vector framework, that is the 30, 50 and 60. This value I store in this array class, right? What I have to do, we know that in the values, with the help of reference of the values, we can take we have to the values is here. Values we are taking that, and now for that we know that one method is predefined. Internal iteration में हमने देखा था dot for each method. So this is a for each method will be the come, will be take to this one, and this is the implemented is here in the list interface class. I told you for each method actually implemented with the by default keyword in the iterable interface class, right? I told you. But here our intention is we are going to use the for each method as the reference. So here I am going to finally my intention is here I have to sorry, NetBeans ID is some process is going on. Okay, so now our intention is here I have to store the value in the collection framework, and I have to print it on the screen. So I am coming to this value on the screen. So for each method I am going to use, and in that this method is responsible for your iteration of this loop. This is the internal iteration will be the happen, right? So in that I am using the system class, that is the system is the class, and in that system class finally I am taking the system class I am taking, right? Dot method is object. So here I will tell out object for the output, right? And after that I will use the scope resolution operator, but in the C plus scope, but here it will say reference. Okay, so we are taking the reference here, and print ln method I am going to the use here. It will printed a value on the line by line. So I can use the for each method as a reference, right? So we will say this part is your reference. What is that? This is the reference is here. Got it? So this is your reference. So we can use this for each method as a reference. So finally system is the class, out is the object, as a reference where we use, and object we can access. So what we are going to see, with the help of for each method I can use the reference, and we can access the method through this reference, right? And this print ln method is the predefined in the system class. That's why we are going to access by the out. So before that we know that one code I written here, like we are writing the, see that s out system.out.print.ln. सो हम लोग यहाँ डॉट ऑपरेटर का यूज़ करते हैं, बट यहाँ पर जब मैं फॉर ईच मेथड में यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, सो एज अ रिफरेंस यहाँ पर डॉट नहीं यूज़ करूँगा, एज अ रिफरेंस यूज़ करूँगा, क्योंकि फॉर ईच मेथड अलाउ करता है रिफरेंस को लेने के लिए, राइट? सो प्रिंट एलएन मेथड को मैं डायरेक्टली एक्सेस करूँगा, एंड फाइनली विल बी प्रिंट दिस आउटपुट इज हियर. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रन टू द कोड, and we have to understand what's output is coming. So it's taking some time, little bit, just hold to that. It's coming right now, it's going on. Okay, now it's processing. Yeah, run. This one is the running that part, and it's coming to the yeah. This output is coming 30, 50, and 60. You can see here, right, all of you. This process is going on this part. So we can use the for each method as a reference. For better understanding, we'll be see in the next section how we'll be use this for each method as a reference in the next moment. Okay. So thank you very much.